Igamao, pass to Barilo, number 0, to Ryan Bakay, to Carion, street ball, tumira ng dos, basket is good. All 2. Carullo, Papacar, pass to Priera, number 77. Wala. Carion, pass to Joey, sobrang lakas. Easy, easy. Carullo. Tumira ng 3. No. Ryan Bakay. Daphne, easy basket. Score 4-2 in favor of 4. Long 3, wala. Rebound by Claire. Pass to Kamabay. Kamabay. Karin ulit. Dimitri Scarte. Pass to Joey. Joey! Easy basket. Score. All 4. Silent. Karin 14. Igamao, bumawi for 3. Wala. Rebound by Joey. Joey! Football rep. Basket is good. May pants po ang cutting. Pop hard. Tuloy. Ryan Bakay. Igamao. Scores 7-5 in favor of Dragon. Clear. Steal by Joey. Joey pass 2. To Sarai for 3. Well. Rebound by Joey. Easy basket. May kasama ang dila. Ryan Bakay for 3. Wala. Rebound by Joey. Joey wala pa rin. Rebound by Craig. To number 10. Back to number 77. Easy. Ryan Bakay. Take him out for 3.
Okay, time out.
Nice. Nice, Siren.
Carion, Dimitri Scarte. Number 7. Pass to Clear. No good. Score 18-7
Oh,
in favor of
plus 20 ka na.
18. Tumama.
Cyril, si Cara, tingnan mo. Tira!
Easy basket.
Taas lang, taas. Walang foul.
Rebound by Joey. Joey. Walang foul. Who's foul?
Car, sigurado, Car. Tira! Tira, Rene.
14.
Nice, Rene. Good, good, good. Tira uli. Cyril, Cyril.
Carrion. So Igamaw for 3. Bang, bang, bang!
Walang tao sa ilalim.
Rebound by Joey. Joey. For 3. There's a foul. Loose ball rep. Number 30. No good. Second try. Kapag pumasok. Velasco. Carrion. Nice pass sa ilalim. Bagong gising daw yan. Kalye Ernie.
Puri mo bola. Dito, dito. Pasukin mo. Nice. Oy. Baba, baba. Taas lang.
Score 21-12 in favor of Dragons. Ryan Bakay. Pass to Kalye Ernie. Ryan Bakay for 3. Easy basket.
Bong, kabilaan, Bong, kabilaan.
Kababay. To number 77. Number 77. Easy basket. Wala at dito. Ryan Bakay. To Carrion. Carrion for 3. Rebound by Rene. Ryan Bakay for 3 ulit. Grabe, oh.
Taasan mo kuntiin ba to?
Second chance. Basket. Number 30. To number 77.
Balik, balik.
Binalik sa number 30. To number 7. There's a foul. Kalye.
Labas, labas.
Binas for 3. Kaya for 3. Wala pa rin. Easy basket.
Baba. Oh,
Number 6. Claveria.
wala.
Huli. Number 6 ulit.
Lapit, lapit.
To Ryan Bakay. To Carrion. Carrion. Easy. Street ball. Carrion.
Kami
Ito ba? Rene. Relay for 3. Wala pa. Rebound by Velasco. To Papamar.
Tao sa baba.
To Joey. Joey to Marlon. What a nice play.
Relax ang ka, relax. Ubus oras. O, taas lang ha. Walang foul. Taas lang kayo.
So number 1. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jack Hinkle. Number 7.
Baba.
Number 1. So number 6. There's a foul. First try, basket's good.
Shoot it.
Second try.
Oh.
Basket is good pa rin. Number 77.
Baba ka. Cyril, baba.
Wala ko. There's a foul. Oras natin na Sito Correta.
Magsakulay dito, magsakulay.
Carlo, second shot. Basket's good. Kylie Erling. Wala pa rin. Velasco. Carlo, number 30. Number 7.
Nice.
Velasco.
Ay, puta. Baba.
Rebound by Ryan. To Joey. Joey to number 1. Ooh, there's a foul. Basket is good. Wala. Rebound by Velasco.
Ha?
Relay.
Eh,
Number 7. There's a foul.
siguraduhin mo. Mamaya, talo tayo. Magbigay tayo. Isa pa. Rene!
Second shot. Basket is good. Marlon to Joey. Joey pass to Kylie Erling. Kylie Erling. Dumiskate. Wala. Rebound by
Ano?
si Kababay. Easy basket. Remaining time, 21 seconds.
Malakas to next year.
Lalo cool doon.
Kaya, for 3. Wala pa.
Ha?
Ilipat kami yung Mag-resign ba yan?
Hindi.
12 seconds remaining time.
Malakas to next year.
Kaya,
Yung isa pa. Pag na-regular yung isa.
7.
Yung taga-mandalo. Yung matangkad.
5 seconds.
Yung may time.
Pero
Yung...
wala kami, munti kami matalo.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Number 7 to number 77. Wala. Rebound by Joel tonight. To number 1, Dumiskate. Easy basket.
Yung mata nyo na kay Marlon, ha?
Yeah, number 7 to number 21. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Dumiskate ulit. There's a foul.
Hindi, sabihin mo mag-sub ka doon. Basta sub kami.
Number 7 to number 77. To number 12, Mabini.
Ito na lang.
Kalabaw lang ang tumakanda.
Oh, sige, sige. Bigay! Bigay!
Mabiro. Bona, wala. Rebound. Rebound by Mabini. Steal by number 21. Number 7. To number 4. Number 4 for 3. Wala.
Baba, Edmond.
Pasqua. Sicaria. Number 1 easy. Wala. Rebound by Joe. Bilasalan for Ian. Pass to number one to Miris Captain. To Joel Dumakit for 3. Wala. Rebound by. Dumakit. Nakagawan. Number 7.
Cyril ha, ilan foul mo na?
To carry on, wala. Rebound by Maimini. Si Ian. 14. Wala ka rin. Rebound by. Save ball. One. Carry on. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Black. Number 7. Diminik Pate. Wala pa rin pero rebound pa rin niya. Rebound all down. Carry on. Diminik Pate. Easy. Magic.
Relax lang, relax.
Oh, number 7. To number 4. For 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7.
Nice, Bong. Yan na.
Ian. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ian ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Velasco. Number 7. Easy basket. Number 21 ulit. Nadali rin. Number 10. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 7. Skill. Carry on. Easy basket.
Pop. Oh, Bong. Sige, pahinga. Dali na. Sige, bilisan mo. Lapit mig.
Number 10 to number 21.
Oh!
Sige, try lang. Iyan Pasqua. Substitution. 49-33. In favor of Dragons. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Second quarter of time. We have to go 3. Bang.
Tas lang, tas!
Dumilis natin. Bumawi ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Gamal. Gamal to Ian. Ian, oh!
Traveling.
Traveling violation. Nagtra-travel, walang travel pass. Carullo.
Kabila!
To number 4.
Oh!
Pass to Carullo. Dimitri Pate. Carrion. Easy basket.
Cyril! Cyril!
Dwyer to number 30. Rene, 14.
Oh! Si Edmond di! Magpa-plus sila eh. Ito kung sumatang si Edmond. May plus din mo yung tayo.
Oh! Nangyari.
Sap.
Out of bounds. Out of balance. Out of bounds.
Edmond!
Substitution rep.
Edmond!
Number 12. Out. Number 7 in. Ooh! Grabe, taas ng IQ nun ah. Number 30. To number 7. Velasco. Wala. Rebound by Ian.
Nice! Counted! Black eh. Oh. Anong tawag doon, Reps? Illegal? Okay, sige. Baba!
Anton.
Tira!
Pass to Carrion. Number 1. Tumawag ng screen to Anton. Anton. Dumidiskarte. Oh! Ian for 2. Rebound by. Same ball.
Bong!
Foul pala, foul.
Kaya mo yan, 21. Balikan.
Joey to Carrion. Dumidiskarte.
Ayun,
Bang.
okay.
Carullo. To Zakipin. Zakipin. Siboy Gamal. Carrion. Tumira ng 3, wala pa rin.
Bigay!
Number 7. Pass na number 21. Wala. Rebound by Joel. To Carrion. To Joey.
Tasa, Bong!
Number 30 to number 4. Jump shot. No good. Same ball.
Lapit bola po. Sa gitna! Oh, salubong!
Number 1 Dimitri Pate. Nabitawan ng bola. Running balls. Number 30. Pass to number 4. Tumira ulit ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Joey. Joey to number 1. Dimitri Pate tumira ng 3. Bang! Number 7. Number 30. Number 4. Dimitri Pate. Wala.
Salubong! Ito, salubong mo!
Ryan Bakal, veteran smooth. Easy basket. 44. Kaunti na lang.
Wakit!
Number 30. Velasco wala. Rebound by Ian. Ian. Steve by number 77. Oh. First.
Tunga! Nagbaba may tao doon! Tao!
Wala. Rebound by Joey.
Oo.
Nabitawan yung bola. Rebound. Score 56-46. Rebound pa rin ni Sir Ryan Bakay. Ryan Bakay. Bang, bang, bang! Bilas for 3.
Taas lang, taas.
Remaining time. Last 50 seconds. Kali Ernan for 3. No good. Rebound by Carullo.
Baba!
Carullo to sa babay. Pass to Carullo. Carullo. Easy layup.
Umaya na.
Number 1 to Ryan Bakay for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Walang tawag. To number 7. Number 7. Parang ilayang ulit. Grabe. Diba?
Taas lang, taas.
Okay, number 7.
Titira ng Cristiano.
Number 6. Last
Taas
10
lang.
seconds. 9, 8, 7. Basket is good. Remaining time 5 seconds. 3.5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third quarter is over.
Kabila, ah.
To number 34-3. Wala. Rebound by Velasco. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 1. Tumakbo. Tumilis natin. Wala. Rebound by Joey. East basket by Joey Magno. Si Velasco. To number 30. Pass to number 7.
Balik!
To number 10.
Oh, tinira.
Velasco for 3. Wala. Number 1. To number 25. Ikamal for 3. Joey. Sobrang lakas. Number 1. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 25 sa ilalim. Tumilis natin. No good. Rebound by number. Pass to number 7. Easy basket. Anton. Number 1. Steal. To number 7. Grabe yung bali nyo. May kasamang ball.
Nice!
Sana all bumabali. Bonus shot. No good. Rebound by Joey.
Baba!
Looking for number 1. Nasa ilalim si number 1. Bakay. Pass to number 1. For 3. No good.
O, ba't mo bigay?
To number 10. Kabamay ulit. Tumingin ng trash. No good.
Huwag tayo magmadali.
Joey.
Lamang tayo eh.
To number 1.
O, dikit konti. Dikit konti.
For 3.
Nice, right?
Nangyayari na mo ang coach nila. Number 7.
Nice!
Number 1. For 3. Basket.
Lapit. Cyril! Dandaan lang. Huwag niyong madalin.
To number 7. Cyril. Looking for his teammate. To number 30. Connect to number 77. Sayang. To number 1.
Oh, kabila.
No call. Easy basket.
Red technical. Red technical, rep, oh. Tawagan mo, red technical. Uy, puta, pumasok. Ala, bantayin nyo yun.
Number 30. To number 7. To number 4. Grabe. Number 25. Pass to Anton. Pass to number 1. Number 1 to Luis Cate. Screen by number 25.
O, atin.
To number 30.
Oh! Nice! Pasok!
Number 7. No. 1-2, 1-2, plus 3. 3 points.
Oh, advance dito, advance!
Kaya gumawa ng 3.
Oh! Patay na! Tumira na si ano.
Number 10, to number 30, Carillo. To number 10, fake pass. To number 7.
Pasukin mo! Balik! Pasukin mo, Cheryl!
Last 10 seconds to shoot. Kababay. No good.
Oh!
Brian Bang for 3. Rebound by Dumaki.
Ang lakas! Ang lakas! Tira mo!
Brian pass to number 13. Rebound ulit.
Kabila!
Number 30. Easy basket. Remaining time. Yes. 5 minutes.
Oh, dikit na konti. Taas lang, taas.
Joey. Easy basket.
Rip, sampulan mo kasi.
Number 7.
Oh, galaw.
To number 7 to 7.
Oh,
No good. Rebound by Joey.
baba. Oh, pero.
For 3. No good. Rebound by Monteroto. Third personal foul. No good.
Rebound.
Second.
Ala. Galing. Hoy, walay.
Number 7 to number 20.
Antay tao. Relax.
For 3.
Ay,
Wala.
lamang tayo eh. Huwag mamadali.
Number 1.
O, dikit konti, dikit.
Number 1.
Patay tayo. Nice.
To number 77. Easy basket.
Oy, tulong sa rebound, no? Si Dumagit yung nagre-rebound. Advance sa 3. Oh, patay. Advance sa 3, sabi eh. Oh, bigay bola. Mag-iwalay kayo sa screen. Huwag kayong pumayag, mapapa-screen kayo. Salubungin yung nga dyan. Nice.
Number 1.
Oh, taas lang. Huwag kang mag-stundog. Taas lang.
Number 1.
Traveling.
Bullshit. Basket. Score 71-79. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Carullo. Pass to number 10, to number 7. Dewey Discarte. Tumatawag ng play to number 77. Inside. Basket is good.
Advance kayo masyado sa lalim. Buka. Tapos taas lang Paul ha.
Number 1. Pass to number 25. To number 1 left. Dewey Discarte. Easy basket.
Bawi.
Number 7 to number 77.
Silalim.
Yan.
Bong, sa gitna.
Number 10 to number 77 to number 30 for 3. No good. Rebound.
Oh, atin.
Same ball. Sayang.
Serem, sit up. Tira.
To number 30. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 para walang kakapit. Warning for penalty pala. Number 1, bullshit. Rebound by Joey. Joey na number 1 ulit. Ang wala ng kakapit.
Oh, Cyril.
First shot. Basket. Lima na yan. Score 76-81 in favor of 81. Second try. Copy na lahat for second try. No good. Second down. Third shot. Wala pa. Kababay, Luis Cante, number 7, nakagawa. Same ball.
Baba, Bong, baba.
Number 77, there's a foul. Number foul, warning for penalty. First shot, number 77, basket is good. 7 shot.
O, atin.
Number 4 to number 77, looking for number 7, nakita niya. Number 7 to 77, easy basket.
Taas lang ha. Walang pa-foul. Taas lang. Kara.
Right basket.
Taas lang.
Number 35 to number 17. Nakakamit ko number 13.
Alalay lang, Sai.
Nakamit ng number 7
Balik.
to number 10. Pass to number 4 to 77 to number 4. Ganda ng pasahan. Sayang.
Kaya? Okay lang? O, sige, taas lang.
Right time, last 57.
Oo.
Number 25
Ito.
to number 1. To number 35. Ganda ng move. No, rebound.
Nice rep. Nice. Penalty ha.
Number 25, Ryan. Bakay.
Baba. Puesto. Bong.
Last 30 seconds. Number 7 to number 10 to number 30. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 0 to number 1.
Oh!
Carry on. Dumilis tumatakbo. Looking for his teammate. No good. Number 77. There's a foul. Number 0. First try.
Sure ball, Bong. Isa na lang.
Basket now. Rebounder.
Oh, dalawa dyan, oh. Rini, salubungin mo yan.
Second try. Number 77. No good. 11 seconds na lang po.
Pass. Oh!
9.
Oh, atin! Bigay!
7.
Ay! Oy, wag!
3. 2. Joey. Sable. Joey. Sable ang gawin sa natin. Sire, number 7 to number 77. Ang lalim. Same ball.
Same ball.
Number 77, pass to number 7. Push ball rep. Number 0, Barillo. Second. Number 0.
Rene, baba!
Second personal foul. To number 443. Bang, bang, bang.
Tulong, tulong ha!
Number 23.
Tulong kayo!
Luis Cate. Pass to. Easy basket. Anton. Same ball. Natapit, bago, namama. 19 seconds to shoot. Joey. No good. To number 7. No good. Anton.
Baba! Oh! Oh!
Remain 9, 8, 39 seconds. Right by. No good. Carullo to number 7. Zero sa tira.
Oh, sap, si ano? Si Rene. Hayaan nyo na lang ano. Matira mo kung magtira.
Lumaki. Number 9, number 83. Again. Pass to number. Right by.
Wala ba?
To number 77. To number 7. Number 1. Grabe yung siniguro ng number 1. Number 1. Pero
Sir.
basket's good.
Hindi, sa labas yan. Okay lang yan.
Ipas mo doon yung pulikat. Yan ang papas. Ipas mo ganun pa.
Dalawa, isa.
Ito lang. Ito lang pa ganun. Tulak kung paano ganun para hindi umakyat.
Luis Cate. Looking for his teammate. His teammate number 25, Joey.
Hala.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. First right. And no good. Second right. Basket's good. for 3, no good.
Nice ball.
Ready? Number 7 to number 4, 14. Rebound by number 30.
Nice rep.
Number 0.
Sure ball card, dalawa. Nice.
Basket's good. Number 0, third personal na foul.
Oh, amen.
Same ball. Number 13.
Patay.
Wait.
Rabiling.
Foul.
Ah, foul.
Number 21.
Wala. Wala penalty, di ba? Wala.
13 foul pa lang po. 13 foul.
Ayan na.
Number 3. Number 0.
Ay, galing. Uwas bola. Kulat Cyril. Relax lang Cyril, relax lang.
Number 7 to number 4. Back to number 7 again. Dumi Discarte. Same ball.
Bong. Bong, cut.
Last 8 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
Wow! Woo! Relax ka lang muna.
Number 25 for 3.
Tanga yun.
Remaining time last 6 minutes. So number 30 to number 77. Rebound by Joey. Grabe. To number 25
Oy! Repo!
for 3. Wala, number 25 ulit. Number 7. Oh! Still by... Oh! May transfer. Number 1. 14. No good. Oh.
Labas,
Number
labas!
4.
Labas!
For 3. No good. Number 1. Pass to number 25. To number 1 again. Hindi discarte. Pumasok sa loob. Loob mo sige. Wala siya. Warning na penalty lang po. Tomorrow, Jacket, no good. Number 77 to 21. Number 77.
Nice.
Number 0, naubos na yung 89-98 in favor of Dragons. Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 25. Long three. Number by number 77 to number 7. Easy basket. Marlon for 3. Number.
Oh, yan, natuloy nyo na yan.
Dito Bong.
Right back. Back to Marlon, number 13. Double team. Pass to number 7. Kumukuha pa ng foul. Number 29. To Anton for 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. To number 7. Steal by number 25.
Bato! Bato!
Number 13. Number 21, easy basket. Nagkakawan po muna po. To number 23. Steal by number 7.
Baba!
To number 21, to number 7. First try, basket's good.
Baba mo konti!
Second try, no good. Rebound by number 77. Easy basket.
Wag na, wag na.
Okay.
Taas lang, taas!
Number 21.
Baba kayo! Gamit oras muna!
Number 30 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. Easy basket ulit. Wala na. Wala na.
Gamit oras!
Number 9 for 3. Basket.
Cyril! Cyril! Cyril!
Number 7.
Gamit oras. Lalay Bong!
Basket. Good.
O taas ha! Huwag niyong patirahin ng patirahin yan!
Number 21. Number 23. For 3. No good.
Alalay Bong!
25. Basket.
Oras, gamit oras. Ulamang tayo. Antay oras, car. Sabit.
Anton for 3. Bang! Number 77.
Time out, time out. Time out, time out. Harang, harang. Walang pa-foul. Dikit-dikit na konti. Dikit. O, atin. Lapit sa bulalat. Lapit sa bulalat. Karandaan lang. Bong, antay, antay. Gamit oras.
Using the time.
Labas kay Cyril.
Pass to number 7.
Antay, antay.
To number 4.
10 seconds.
Remaining time.
Tira, tira.
59 seconds.
Tira, Bong.
Number 77.
Tira.
To number 4 for 3. With the basket, number 9. The back out. Pass to number 21. To number 23. The back out again. Number 23 to number 21. For 3.
Wa Miguel, kuha! Oh, alalay lang, hawak pula! Relax mo yan, Bong! Wala na oras eh.
Remaining time, 19 seconds. Grabe.
Sabi. Nice game.
Less 10 seconds. Come on for 3. No.
You know?
3, 2, 1.
Nice game, nice game.